Hey everyone, welcome to a world where information is readily available, constantly evolving, and adapts to your needs. A world where language models understand your questions, translate languages seamlessly, and even write captivating stories. This, my friends, is the future we're hurtling towards, and at the forefront of this revolution stands a powerful tool, Gemini. Building context, 0:15 to 1 o'clock. But what exactly is Gemini? It's not a physical object, nor is it a household appliance. It's a large language model, LLM, a complex computer program trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows Gemini to perform a variety of tasks, from generating different creative text formats to answering your questions in an informative way. Think of it this way: have you ever Googled something incredibly specific and gotten lost in a sea of irrelevant links? Gemini aims to be the solution. It sifts through information, understands the context of your query, and delivers concise, informative answers. The rise of large language models, 1 to 2 o'clock. LLMs like Gemini are a relatively new phenomenon, but they're rapidly transforming the way we interact with information. The field is constantly evolving, with new advancements happening seemingly every month. It's an exciting time to be alive, especially for those who appreciate the power of language and its potential to impact various aspects of our lives. So, does Gemini have a good future? 2 to 2:30. Now, let's get to the burning question: does Gemini have a bright future? The answer, like most things in life, is a resounding it depends. But fear not, because we're here to explore the factors that might influence its success. Strengths of Gemini, 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Let's start with Gemini's strengths. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to access and process vast amounts of information. This allows it to stay up to date on current events, learn new information quickly, and adapt its responses accordingly. Another strength lies in its ability to understand natural language. Gemini can decipher the nuances of human speech and write in a way that is both informative and engaging. This opens up a world of possibilities, from generating creative text formats like poems and code to translating languages in real time. Think about the potential. Imagine traveling to a foreign country and having Gemini seamlessly translate conversations, menus, and signs, breaking down language barriers and fostering deeper cultural understanding. Challenges for Gemini, 4 to 5:30. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. There are also some challenges that Gemini, and LLMs in general, need to overcome. One concern is bias. The information Gemini is trained on can be skewed, leading to biased responses. This is a complex issue that requires ongoing research and development to ensure fair and unbiased results. Another challenge lies in the realm of creativity and critical thinking. While Gemini can generate creative text formats and answer questions in an informative way, it currently lacks the ability to truly understand or analyze information in the same way humans do. For example, Gemini might be able to write a poem about love, but it wouldn't understand the complex emotions involved in human relationships. This is an area where future development needs to focus, allowing LLMs to move beyond simple information processing and into the realm of genuine understanding. Ethical considerations, 5:30 to 6:30. Finally, we can't ignore the ethical considerations surrounding LLMs. As these models become more powerful, the potential for misuse increases. It's crucial to develop clear guidelines and regulations to ensure that LLMs are used for good and not for malicious purposes. Imagine a scenario where someone uses an LLM to create fake news articles that spread misinformation. This highlights the importance of responsible development and deployment of these powerful tools. The future is collaborative, 6:30 to 7 o'clock. Despite these challenges, the future of LLMs like Gemini is promising. The potential for these tools to improve our lives is vast. However, it's important to remember that LLMs are not meant to replace human intelligence. Instead, they should be seen as collaborators, augmenting our abilities and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Real-world applications, 7 to 8 o'clock. Imagine a world where LLMs are used in education, providing personalized learning experiences for every student. Or consider the healthcare sector, where LLMs could analyze medical data and assist doctors in making diagnoses. The possibilities are truly endless.